To utilize your HitchPin credits in your HitchPin Wallet, from your account menu, click on HitchPin Wallet under the Payment section and confirm that you have HitchPin credits in your wallet available to use. Here you can see that this HitchPin wallet has $100 of HitchPin credits available. Next, find an item or service you would like to purchase and click Make an Offer. Enter the details for the product or service you would like to purchase. You may enter a coupon code if you have one. Select your preferred payment method from your list of added accounts or add a new one if you need to. Then, review and submit your offer. When a successful transaction takes place, HitchPin charges you a transaction fee of 2.5%. You can see here that the HitchPin credits have been used to cover the transaction fee, so there is no additional cost in your transaction. These are automatically deducted from your HitchPin credits in your HitchPin wallet. You may also earn free credits by clicking the blue button to access your personalized referral link. For every friend you invite to use HitchPin with your link, you and your friend will each receive $100 of HitchPin credit.